Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to install this dual USB port on my 2020 BMW R1250 GS. These videos are sponsored by the online part store at packmototours.com/store. You can support this channel by purchasing your 6,000 and 12,000 mile maintenance kits here at Pack Moto Tours. I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to this channel as well. Here you can find all kinds of maintenance videos for your water-cooled R1200 and R1250 motorcycles. Brake pad changes, remove and replace wheels, oil changes, valve clearance checks, videos on doing your 6,000 and 12,000 mile maintenance, all sorts of videos you'll find here at the Pack Moto Tours channel. So again, today we're going to install this dual USB port on my 2020 R1250 GS. This port I bought on Amazon for about $20. I'll drop the link inside the notes. I do like to find ways to save money and do things less expensively on these expensive BMWs. This device appears to be the exact same device you can buy from Touratech for $75. Here I found one on Amazon for $20. Okay, you ready to get started? Let's jump right in. Here's a close-up of the device. You can see it has two USB ports. It also came with a little tool that will help remove and reinstall this device. I'm going to start by removing the windshield. I've got a T25 screw right here and a T25 screw here, although I lost the T25 screw here, so I replaced it with a metric hex. That's a little trick I'll show you. So start by removing this T25 screw. As I said, this side I lost the screw and replaced it with an M5 screw. This is a 4mm hex. Then simply grab the windshield from both sides, pull down, and the windshield comes off. There are 4 T25 screws that hold on this assembly here. One here, one here, one here, and one on the other side. I'm going to take this off. I don't know that you have to, but I think it makes it easier for me to show you how to do this project. And then we'll just remove this. There we go. So here's our DIN socket right here. Close that lid. Back behind, at the very end of it is a locking clip that attaches the wiring harness to the back of the 12-volt DIN outlet. See if I can get you a better view. So you can probably see all the way in the back there, the end of that outlet. There you go, that's a pretty good view. The end of the outlet is where the wiring harness attaches. So the instructions tell you to find the little clip. There's a little spring-loaded clip here, and then just pull off the harness. You don't want to pull the wires. There we go. Can you see that harness? So there's the wiring harness all the way back. At the very end is this little clip, the little trigger that you squeeze in and out and attaches it. Okay, so we've got the wiring harness out. Now we'll remove the DIN outlet. Now we're going to use the little tool that they provided me. And right here, where I'm pointing, you can see is the nut that holds that outlet in place. It's the best spot to turn it right there. Good, you can see it's coming out. There we go, it fell on the floor. There is the DIN port that I removed. So here we are, our new 2 USB outlet. I'm going to remove this screw. And this little guy right here, you only need if you're installing it, I believe, on an F750 or F850. So we're going to install it like this. And frankly, it just slides right in. Look at that. There we go. If it's not threading on easily, then you've got it cross-threaded. Good. Finger tightened. I found that the best position to operate this little wrench is right down here. There we go. We're just going to make it just kind of hand tight. I don't want to break anything. Nice and sturdy. Okay. Now we're just going to reach back here and reattach this wiring harness. There we go, that is snapped into place. If you tug, make sure it is. Put this cowle back on. Yeah, I wasn't sure if it helped us much, but I think it may have helped a little bit. Just going to line up our brackets. Slight push up. I showed you before that one of them's a T25. Because I lost one of the screws, I replaced it with an M5 from the hardware store. Now for our little M5 4mm hex. It's a good replacement if you lose a screw. Let's give it a little test run and see if it works. So I've got my Cardo Pack Talk Edge plugged in. Turn on the ignition. There we go, red light's powered up. We are charging. Fantastic. So there we go. We replaced this little 12-volt DIN port with a dual USB outlet. Again, the link to Amazon is in the notes. You can buy from Touratech also for $75. I bought this from Amazon for $20. So there we go, a successful project. Remember, these videos are sponsored by the online parts store at packmototours.com/store. You can support us by buying your 6,000 and 12,000 mile maintenance kits for your water-cooled R1200 or R1250 BMW motorcycles. Lots of great videos. Subscribe right down here to the channel. Lots of great videos, again, on water-cooled R1200s and R1250s. Also, give us a thumbs up if you like this video. We always appreciate your comments, so drop us a comment. Tell us what you think. If there's a better way to do something, share it with others. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.